as chairman.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma reiterated that the demand for the inner line permit and the inclusion of the Khasi and the Garo languages in the 8th schedule of the Constitution rests with the centre. Speaking to media yesterday, the Chief Minister stated that the state government has passed resolutions on both matters, but the next step depends on the central government. He stressed the need for a concerted effort from all stakeholders, including organisations, MPs and the state government, to push for a swift decision. Sangma also expressed hope that the newly elected MPs from Meghalaya would engage with key ministers, including the Home Minister and Prime Minister, to advocate for these issues.
Request Government of India to include our languages in the 8th schedule and also to implement the ILP in our state. So that resolution has been taken by our government, which shows the commitment from our side to move this forward. Now, post that, we have to now work closely with Government of India. All of us at different political levels, whether it's, organizations, whether it is members of parliament, whether it is state government, everybody has to do their part. And I'm sure that everybody is doing their part.